Hi, this is a quick little video on the difference quotient. The difference quotient is used as the basis of calculus. So if you're moving on to calculus, this is really important. If not, it's going to seem a little strange, and that's okay. It's good skill practice for working with equations anyway. The difference quotient is actually a different way of writing the slope. Instead of x1, y1, and x2, x2, we have x and a number that's x plus h. Still doing the slope, the y values divided by the difference in the x values. So we're going to start by figuring out what f of x plus h is, which is one of the three pieces that are part of the difference quotient. This can be really messy, which is why I recommend doing it separately. So if you remember from the f of whatever video, wherever you see the input, which is x, you're going to put the new input, which is x plus h. Everything else is just copied down normally. And there's our f of x plus h. This one is a pretty easy problem, so that's not too difficult. Not too messy. Now we're going to put the whole difference quotient together, all three pieces. So first we're copying down the f of x plus h we saw, and then we're going to subtract all of f of x and divide everything by h. Okay, so f of x plus h, we figured what that was out already, so I wrote that in pink, and then minus f of x, which is what they originally gave us in the problem, and divide everything by h. When you do this, a bunch of things are going to cancel out. Here we have a 3x and a negative 3x. Those things are going to add to 0. And you've got a negative 5 and a positive 5 because of the negative 5 at the end. Those are going to cancel out. And when you're done with this top, you're just going to have 3h in this time. Divide by h, you end up with 3, and like I said, this is a slope. We have a line here, so we had better ended up with 3, and we did. If you're dealing with a cube with a squared problem with a squared in it, this is going to take a lot longer, so you're going to have a lot more algebra to work through in the middle, but the process is still the same. So find that f of x plus h, multiply it out, simplify it all, and then put the three pieces together. It's long, but it's doable. Just keep at it. All right, thanks. Bye.